What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. Welcome back to another video. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to lockpick doors, chests, and everything else like that in Hogwarts Legacy. If I approach a lock here with the Alohamora spell unlocked, it'll pull up the screen. If you'd like to know how to get the Alohamora spell, check the description down below. You'll need to finish a quest to get it. When we have it open, we can use Q and E on PC. You'll see controls on the bottom right to rotate the outer ring. As soon as we rotate it past a certain point, you'll see these outer cogs start moving. What we need to do is get it in the right position so they spin around. Then for the inner one, we'll use A and D. Wherever they start moving, we'll stop it. Just like that, after holding them for long enough, or rather leaving them for long enough, the door, chest, or whatever it is you're trying to unlock opens up. Very simple. Anyways, that's about it for this very quick guide. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!